Today I'm out on Chodiki Lake, and it's not exactly what I would expect it to be. It's rather windy out, it's kind of choppy. You can see, but what I can see where I'm at right now, it actually does look like they're herons. So yeah, that's the heron rookery. What I can't show you is that every time you get close to the shore, there's a splash. And what that splashing is frogs diving under the water, trying to get out of my way. We're leaving Chodiki Lake and we're entering into Black Creek. What we have here is a beaver's lodge, and I really don't want to get too close. We'll get close enough. This is very, very much a marsh right now. There's the duck. There they are. You can actually see them on the viewfinder. They're not too happy to see me. What did we see today? We saw swans, we saw herons, we saw turtles, saw frogs jumping into the water, saw something that looked like an otter, may have been a beaver, I don't know. But today was a pretty good day, at least in terms of discovery at Chodiki Lake. This was Chodiki Lake. There's a lot more to see, a lot more. We haven't gotten to the waterfall.